Yes. So, coming to this, what is happening? Something is wrong. Is it visible there? No. TV. Now is it visible? No, not yet. Is it visible? No. Yes. Hi, Logesh. Yes, now it's visible, right? Everyone? Yes. So, coming to mock test 1. It is one of the most easiest mock paper published. Okay? And one of the thing regarding this mock test paper is, if you look into the question, most of the questions are repeated as usual. Yes, it is repeated. And most of the questions are from your Jan attempt. Most, not like 10% of the questions. 10 questions are there from the Jan attempt. Now, can we start? Yes, this paper was published on 24th April. Okay. Now, first one, mean proportional to 8 and 32. So, A is given, C is given. Then, what is the mean proportional? P is equal to root of AC, which is equal to root of 8 into 32. How much is the answer? Root, take the calculator, 8 into 32, that is 256. Root 256 is how much, people? Answer is option C, 16. Any doubt in that? Now, the next one. If x is to y is equal to 7 is to 8, then the value for 6x plus 5y plus, is to 4x plus 3y. How can you write this? 6x plus 5y divided by 4x plus 3y. Now, do you remember our class? What did we do? We are taking x as 7 and y as 8. Now we are keeping it 6 into 7 plus 5 into 8 divided by 4 into 7 plus 3 into 8. That is how much? Take the calculator, everyone. Calculate it. How much you are getting? That is 42 plus, that is 82 divided by, how much? Divided by 28 plus 24, that is 52. So what is common? 2 is common. 2 into 41 divided by 2 into 26. Answer is what, people? 41 is to 26. Are you catching up? Is the question easy? Yes, these are the basic questions you should know. The next one. So there is a mistake in this question. They are asking for x square minus y square. Okay, they are asking for x square minus y square. What is given? X cube minus 1 is equal to 1330. That means x cube is equal to 1330 plus 1. That is how much? 1331. Now, x cube value is 1331. X value will be how much? What cube is 1331? 11 cube. So, x value is what? 11. Then, y cube minus 1 is equal to 1727. So, y cube is how much? 1728. What cube is 1728? 12. Take the calculator and check once. 12 into equal to how many times? 2 times. 1, 2. That is 1728. Y is equal to 12. What are they asking now? X square minus y square. That means 11 square minus 12 square is how much is the question? How much is it? Minus 23. 121 minus 144. Option C is our answer. Are you catching up? Everyone. Next question. Another easy question. Value of 7 log 16 divided by 15 plus 5 log 25 divided by 24 plus 3 log 81 divided by 80. How will you rewrite it? Yes, n log x can be written as log x to the power n. So it can be written as log 16 divided by 15 power 7 plus log 25 divided by 24 power 5 plus log 81 divided by 80 power how much? 3. Any doubt in that? No. Now how will you rewrite? Log of a plus log of b plus log of c is how much? Log of a, b, c, or log of a into b into c. How will you write it? Which is equal to log of 16 power 7 into 25 power 5 into 81 power 3 divided by 15 power 7 into 24 power 5 into 80 power 3. Any doubt in that? Any doubt in that? Now, what was the method, people? We will change everything in terms of 5 and 3. How will you change it? 16 power 7. How will you change it? That is 4 power 2 or 2 power? 2 power 4. That will be 2 raised to how much? 2 raised to 4 the whole power 7 into 5 square the whole power 5 into 81 is what? 3 raised to 4 the whole power 3 the everything divided by what is 15? How will you write 15? 3 into 5. So that means 3 power 7 into 5 power 7. Then how will you write 24? 24 is 8 into 3, right? Instead of 8, what will you do? 2 cube into 3. That means 2 power 15 into 3 power 5. Is that correct? Into, how will you write 18? Can I write 80 as 16 into 5? What is this 16? 2 power 4. That means 2 power 12 into 5 power 3. Now cancel everything off, people. You will get the answer. Try to cancel everything. Yes. Try cancelling everything one by one. How will you write 2 power this? That is 2 power 28. What is this? 2 5 power 10. What is this? 3 power 12. Can you cancel everything? At the end, you will get it as log 2. Option C is our answer. Got the point? It is a previous year question. It is a previous MTP question. And it is repeated throughout. Yes. Next question. Another easy question. Basic property of indices. So, x raised to m plus 3n. So, it is product, right? Product means power will get added. That means plus 4m minus 9n. Then this is division, right, or quotient, right? Yes. In the denominator, that will go to the numerator. It will become minus. That means minus 6m plus 6n. Now things are getting cancelled out. What all things will get cancelled off, people? 3n and 6n. That is plus 9n and minus 9n will get cancelled off. Then x raised to what will remain? Minus m will remain. Option B is our answer. Any doubt? Next one. Another easy question. What is this? Log of root 25 is how much? 5 square. So can I write it as log 10? 5? 5 square root is how much? 5 square the whole power 1 by 2. That is how much? 5. Minus. Minus means how much? It will come in the denominator. 2 cube is how much? 8. Then plus means how much? In the product, that will be 16. That means log 80 divided by 8 to the base 10 or log 10 to the base 10. So log 10 to the base 10. Any number to the same base is what? Is what? 1. That means option B is our, C is our answer. Got the point? Yes. Next question. Online, everyone, are you catching up? So students are there in YouTube live also. Okay. Where are you guys from? Please comment. Yes. Can we do the next one? So it is a pan-Indian class. Now, next one. Another previous year question. Log. Oh, this is to the base 4. Always remember that in most of the questions there will be typing mistakes. So, log. How will you write it? X square plus x divided by x plus 1 is equal to 2. We did the same question. Yes, log of x into x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. We took x as common from numerator. X plus 1 cancel to the base. What is the base, people? 4. So what is the value of x? X is equal to, that is 16. Option A is our answer. Now we are going to the inequality based question. Manufacturer produces two products A and B. Okay, two products A and B. The profit on product A is 10 on each unit and profit on product B is 13 on each unit. One question I want to ask, with respect to profit, with respect to business, you want to maximize the profit or minimize the profit? Always maximize the profit. So we can just ignore both of this. Now we need to check which of the option is correct. We are calling A as x1, B as x2. What will be the answer? Yes, maximize 10x1 plus 13x2. If you take normally option D is also correct. If you are taking B as x1, can anyone stop us? Have they mentioned x1 is this? They have mentioned nothing. But usually they are aiming for option B. So option B is our answer. Next question. If one root is 2 plus root 3 is the root of the quadratic equation, x square plus px plus q is equal to 0, then find the value of p and q. If one root is 2 plus root 3, what did I tell you? Other root will be 2 minus root 3. Now here the product is how much? Product of the root. Product is equal to q by 1. So that means product of this 2 is how much? A square minus b square. That means 4 minus 3. That is 1. Q is how much? 1. Now sum of the root. Sum is how much? Sum is equal to minus coefficient of x. That means minus p divided by 1. That means sum is minus p. Sum is how much of this? That is equal to 4 is equal to minus p. Then p is equal to minus 4 comma 1. Answer is option C. Next question. A company produces two types of products A and B which require processing in two machines. We can directly go for the answer. Do you remember that trick? Yes. First machine used up 15 hours. That means time. Time means whenever time comes, it is less than or equal to. Here, anywhere if greater than or equal to is there, we can ignore that option. Anyway, it's not there. Then, second can be used up to 12 hours in a day. The product A requires 2 hours. That means 2x1 plus 3x2 less than or equal to 15. Then second is what? 3x1 plus 1 hour. That means x1. That is option A is our answer. Directly we went for the answer. Can I do the next one? Yes. Very interesting question. A previous year question. That is Danatum question. You can directly do it. A certain amount at a rate of simple interest x doubles at 5 years. That means 100 is becoming 200 in how many years? 5 years. How much is the simple interest here, people? 100 minus 200 minus 100 is 100. Then 100 is becoming how much? Another rate it is becoming 3 times. That means 300. Correct? In how many years? 8 years. How much is the SI value here? That is 200. Yes. That means rate 1. R1 is equal to 100 divided by 5. That is equal to 20%. R2 is equal to SI is 200 divided by number of years 8. That is equal to 25%. Now they are asking us what? Difference between these two interest rate. That is 25 minus 20 is equal to 5%. Option A is our answer. Janatum question. Okay. Next one. Anil deposited a certain amount in bank at the rate of 10% per annum compounded what? Semi-annually. Semi-annually means R will become what or I will become what? I is equal to 10% divided by 2 is equal to 5% or it is equal to 0.05. Then number of years at the end of 1 year. So n is how much? 2 into 1 which is equal to 2. Anil received a sum of 13,230. Then the sum deposited in the bank is how much? So A is equal to P into 1 plus I the whole power n. They are asking for what? They are asking for principal. A is given. Correct? A is how much? 13,230. 230, 13,000, 3 to 230, which is equal to P into 1 plus I. 1 plus I is 1.05. The power is 2. How will you do the calculation? How will you use the calculator? First, find 1.05 whole square. How will you take it? 1.05 into equal to. That means we found the square of that thing. We need to bring it to the other side as reciprocal. How will you do it? Divide equal to. Then multiply it with what? The 13,230. Our answer will be how much? How much you got? 12,000. You should do it again. 12,000. Correct? Yes. 11,999.9999999. Correct? Yes. Next one. Effective rate of interest. Effective rate of interest corresponding to nominal rate at 8% per annum payable quarterly. What is the formula for effective rate of interest, people? 1 plus I, the whole power n minus 1 into 100 is our effective rate of interest. Now 1 plus I, the whole power n. N is how much here? Quarterly. So n value will be 4. One more thing. Look here. Everything is given. That means 1.08243216 minus 1 into 100 is our answer. That is how much? 8.24%. Previous year question, previous MTP question, previous RTP question, and current MTP question. It is repeated again. So you solve questions continuously. You solve. You will pass no matter what. Is everything fine? I guess. Yeah. 1 second. Yes. Online, yes. Fine. Everything is fine. Yes, we'll see. Next one. If sum triples in 15 years at symbol rate of interest per annum will be how much? Triples. That means 100 is becoming 300. SI is how much, people? 200. That means how many years? 15 years. How will you do it? 200 divided by 15, which is equal to 13.33. Answer is option B, 13.3%. Next question, people. The future value of annuity 7,200 made annually. That means A value is how much? 7,200. For how many years? 5 years. Then rate of interest 12%. That means I is equal to 12%. What is the formula we are going to use? Future value is equal to A by I into 1 plus I the whole power n minus 1. Everything is given. That means 7,200 divided by how much? Divided by 0.12 into this value is given. 1 plus I the whole power n is given. How much is it? 1.76234 minus 1, which is equal to how much? Take the calculator. How much is the answer? Option A is our answer. 45740.4 is our answer. Yes. Use calculator wisely. And one of the thing, why are you using this formula, not the annuity immediate formula? Nothing is mentioned. End of the year or beginning of the year is not mentioned. So we will take annuity regular. Next question. Rakesh borrows a loan. Loan means what? Whenever you see loan, you will take present value of 10,000 from the bank. He agreed to pay back in how many installments? 24. N means how much? 24. At the rate of 10%, I is equal to 0.1. Then each installment amount is how much is the question? We need to find the A value. So So how are we finding present value using our calculator method? GT method we will follow. What is the GT method? Type 1.1 on your calculator. Divide equal to. How many times equal to? 24 times equal to. Then type GT button or click GT button. Then divide equal to, multiply it with 10,000. You will get the answer. How much you got? How much? 11,000? 1112.99. Option B is our answer. Or if you are not using GT method, the formula is PV is equal to A by I into 1 minus 1 plus I the whole power minus N. This formula you can use if you are not using GT method. From this you can find A value. Okay. Then next one. What is the present value of? Okay. What is the present value of 80,000 to be required after 10 years if the interest rate be 6%? That means what is given here? What is given? Present value is given. Now, what is the present value of 80,000? That means future value is given. We need to find present value. What is the formula? FV is equal to PV into 1 plus I the whole power N. So, future value is how much? 80,000, which is equal to PV into 1 plus I. That is given as how much? PV into 1.7908. From this, present value is how much? 80,000 divided by 1.7908. How much you got? How much? Option B is our answer. Yes. Next one. Can we do it? Everyone, look at the question. Sam invested 12,000 for 10 years in a financial company. At the end of 10th year, his investment value is how much? 18,000. Then the compound annual growth rate is how much is the question. Here, Vn is how much? 18,000. V0 is how much? 12,000. Tn minus T0 is how much? 10. Now the question, 1 plus option, the whole power Tn minus T0 is equal to Vn divided by V0. First we will find Vn by V0. Vn by V0 is how much? That is 1.5. 18,000 divided by 12,000. That is 1.5. Now we will check which option is giving right hand side. This is RHS. Now take LHS. That is 1 plus option. 1 plus 41.04% whole power 10. Is it equal to RHS? It is not equal to RHS. It will anyway be a bigger value because 1.4 itself is a good value. That means raised to power will give us a bigger value. So ignore that. Try option B. That is LHS is equal to take option B. That means 1 plus 4.13%. Then power 10. It is approximately equal to RHS. Are you getting it as 1.49 something? Yes. So option B is our answer. Next question, people. Mr. A invested 20,000 in a bank at 4.5% per annum. He received how much? 27,500 at the end of the term. Find out the period. I will ask you one question. Is simple interest or compound interest mentioned in the question? Anything is mentioned in the question. If nothing is mentioned, what we will take? We will take simple interest. Did you understand that? Nothing is mentioned. So we are going to take simple interest. Now, I will ask you, how much is the simple interest here? 20,000 is becoming 27,000. SI value is how much? 7,500. So 7,500 is equal to, what is the formula for simple interest? PTR percentage, right? So 20,000 into 4.5% into T. Find me the answer. How much is it? T is how much? 8.33 something you got, approximately equal to option B. I think you understood this. Yes, direct question. But I'll tell you one thing. Since nothing is mentioned, most of the people will go for compound interest because you like complicating things, right? In exam hall, especially, you will be like, I need to complicate it more. That thing will come to the picture. That's why you will go for compound interest and you will lose time. Never do that. This was asked, I think, in the Jan attempt. Same question. I guess so. I forgot. Next one. 1,500 is paid every year for 10 years to pay off a loan. Loan means what? Present value. What is the loan amount? We need to find the present value. What is the method we are going to follow? 1.05. Then click divide sign equal to how many times? 10 times equal to. Then click GT button. Then multiply it with the annuity value. That is 1,500. How much you got? Everyone take the calculator. 1.05 divide equal to 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then click GT button. Multiply it with 1,500. Our answer is 11,582. That is approximately equal to option A is our answer. Or if you are not having GT method, you are using PV is equal to A by I into 1 minus 1 plus I the whole power minus n. This formula you can use, you will get the same answer. Next one, a certain amount is invested in a bank. What annual rate of interest compounded annually becomes 8 times of the investment in 5 years? How will you do it? What are they asking? We can take 100 is becoming 800. Here it is compound interest or compound interest. That means amount formula is what? A is equal to P into 1 plus I the whole power n. So A is how much? 800 is equal to 100 into 1 plus I the whole power. N is how much? 5. Now 100 and 0 will get cancelled off. Now 8 is equal to 1 plus I the whole power 5. I am taking this 5 to the other side. Then can I write it this way? 8 raised to 1 by 5 is equal to 1 plus I. Will anyone stop me from doing that? No. Will you do that now? No. Now, what is 8 raised to 1 by 5? It is given in the question. That is 1.515716 is equal to 1 plus I. So, I is how much? We will take 1 to the other side. It will become minus 1. It is 0.515716. I is this much. Then the rate percentage will be how much? Into 100. That is 51.57. That's our answer. Everyone understood? Anyone is having any doubt over this? Yes.
Option B.
If compound interest on a certain sum for 2 years is 5% per annum, is how much? 246. So what is this 246? Compound interest? Yes. Then the simple interest is how much is the question. So CI is equal to P into 1 plus I the whole power n minus 1. Anyone is having doubt over that? No. CI is how much? 246, which is equal to P into 1 plus I. I is how much? 5%. That means 1.05 the whole power 2 minus 1. Can you find the value of P for me? Everyone take the calculator. First find 1.05 into equal to minus 1 divide equal to multiply it with 246. You got it as 2400. Correct? P value is 2400. Now they are asking us to find SI value. What is the formula? SI is equal to PTR percentage. So P is how much? 2400. T is how much? T is, they are telling double the time. That means 2 into 2 is 4 into double the rate percentage. That means 2 into 5 is 10%. Everyone take the calculator. 2400 into 4 into 10. Then click percentage sign. You are getting it as 960. Option B is our answer. Anyone is having any doubt? Got the point? Questions are very direct, right? Yes. Next one.
Option A.
Madhu deposits 100 in a bank at the beginning of every year. For how many years? 20 years. Beginning of every year means what? Annuity. Due or annuity. Immediate. Okay. Then what are they asking? How much she would earn after 20 years? You are finding future value or present value?
Future value.
How much she will earn after 20 years means future value. What is the formula? Future value is equal to A by I into 1 plus I the whole power n minus 1 into 1 plus I. So A is how much? A value is 100. 100 divided by I value is 0.1 into this value is given. That means 6.7275 minus 1 into 1.1. Use calculator, people. That is 6.7275 minus 1 is how much? 5.7275 into 1.1 into 100 divided by 0.1. How much you got? 6300.25. Option A is our answer. Everyone got the point. Can I do the next question? Yes. How much amount is required to be invested every year? What are they asking? They are asking for annuity value. Are you getting my point? They are asking for annuity value. Then to accumulate how much? 15 lakh. That means future value is given. That is 15 lakh. At the end of 20 years, if the interest compounded annually at 10%, given. Future value of annuity factor is given in the question. Then future value is equal to what? Annuity amount into future value annuity factor. What is the value of future value annuity factor? 57.274999. So 15 lakh. Everyone take the calculator. 15 lakh divided by 57.27499 is equal to the value of annuity. How much is the value of annuity? How much you got? 26. 189.44. Option A is our answer. Can I do the next one? Direct question. They are asking from perpetuity. Assuming that the discount rate is how much? 12%. I value is 12%. G value is 8%. Then R value or A value is how much? 100. Receipt amount is 100. So perpetuity PV is equal to what? 100 divided by I minus G. That is equal to 100 divided by 0.12 divided by 0.08. That is equal to 100 divided by 0.04, which is equal to 2500. Option A is our answer. Can I do the next one? Very good question. Most time this type of question is repeated. In how many ways 5 engineers, then 4 professors and 6 auditors can be seated in a row so that all persons are from the same profession? Sit together. Now, how can 5 engineers sit together? 5 factorial way into. How can 4 professors sit together? 4 factorial way. How can 6 auditors sit together? 6 factorial way. Now, how many professions are there? 3 professions. We need to arrange them also, right? If they are sitting in a bench, we can put the 3 benches in 3 different ways. That is 3 factorial way. That answer is option C. Next one. Very good question. From permutation and combination, whatever question they have included is very good for the mock test. N articles are arranged in such a way that wrong. 2 particular articles never come together. Then the number of such arrangements is how much is the question. Now I will tell you. Let the number of articles is equal to 5. I am taking it as 5. Number of articles is how much? 5. Then can I tell that N they are not sitting together, or what is the question? Never come together. That means total arrangement, that is 5 factorial minus they are coming together. If there are 5 articles, these are the 5 articles. 2 of them are coming together. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? That means 4 factorial into they are coming together means 4 factorial into. These 2 articles can be arranged in how many ways? 2 factorial way. That is 2 factorial. Take what is common here, people. What is common? 4 factorial is common, right? That means 4 factorial into what? 5 minus 2. This is equal to 4 factorial into 3. Now, what was the value of our n? We are taking it as 5. What is this 4 then? N minus 1 factorial, right? Into what is this 3? N minus 2, right? What is the answer? Option A. You see the symbol? What is this? L. Factorial. Yes, what is it? Factorial. So what is the answer? Option A is our answer. Got the point. It's a very good question. Yes, but the same question is there in your exercise. ICAI book exercise it is there, but there n is not given. They have given 10 articles. 10 articles are there, 2 are never coming together. They have given that way. Next question. Another very good question. The number of ways the letters of the word triangle to be arranged so that the word angle will always present. That means ANGLE will be there always, no matter what, that particular word will be there in the, yes. Then TRI is the remaining. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 letters are there. How will they be arranged? 4 factorial way. 4 factorial is how much? 24. Option. What is the answer? C is our answer. Now, 3 gens. Another good question. 3 gents and 3 ladies can be seated at a round table so that any 2 and only 2 of the ladies sit together. The number of ways is how much? Very good question. Yes. Circular arrangement, right? Yes, they are sitting around a round table. For example, a lady is sitting here, then other 2 ladies are sitting together. Then what is happening? One gen, another gen. It doesn't matter. Gens, it doesn't matter. Men sitting there, there is no condition for that. So let them sit anywhere. It doesn't matter for us. Then what is there? How will you do it? How can these 3 people sit? Ladies sit in a way that 2 of them are together. Can I write it as 3p2? Into 2 of the ladies. If it is lady 1, this is lady 2. How can they sit? 2 factorial way. Into 3 gents are there. They can sit anywhere because 3 seats are only left. 3p3 or 3 factorial. Now, what is the answer, people? 3p2 is how much? 3 into 3p2 is how much? 3 factorial into 2 into 3 factorial. That is 72. Option C is our answer. It's a very good question. Okay. Did you understand the concept? Yes. Next one. Any doubt? Yes. So, how many ladies are there? 3 ladies. And they are telling 2 of them are sitting together. And only 2 sits together. So, they can be arranged in 3p2 ways. Then, 2 ladies are sitting there, right? 2 of them can sit in how many ways? 2 factorial way. Then, how many are remaining? 3 gens are remaining. They can sit in 3 vacant places. That is 3 factorial way. Take the product. That's our answer. Yes. Next one. Easy question. The number of ways in which the letters of the word mobile. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters are there. Be arranged so that consonants always occupy odd position. Which are the odd position? This is an odd position. This is an odd position. This is an odd position. How many consonants are there? M, B and L are consonants. That means here 3 people can sit. Here 2 letters can sit. Here 1 letter can sit. Now, how many are remaining? 3 letters. That means 3 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into then 1. What is the answer? 9 into 2 into 2. That is 36. Option A is our answer. Can we do the next one? Option hit, people. 1 second. Option hit. Option hit. For arithmetic means between -2 and 23 are what? Arithmetic mean. What is the difference? 10. What is the difference? If you look into it, it is what? -5. Correct? That means D is same. Common difference is not same. Common difference is not same. Look at this. Now how much is it? -15 plus 5. Is common difference same? It is not same. Then how much is it? 5, 5, 5. That means common difference is same. Option C is our answer. Then the first and last terms of an AP are -6, -8, -6, -4 is how much? 52. That means AN is how much? 52. A is how much? First term is how much? -8. Then the number of terms is the question. What is the formula? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is how much? 52, which is equal to -8 into, plus N minus 1 into D. D is how much, people? -2 or +2? 8 is -8 is becoming -6. That means +2 into 2. So can I take this to other side? That will become 60 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. If 2 goes to the other side, it will be in the denominator. So 30 is equal to n minus 1. N is equal to how much? 31. Option. What is the answer? None of this. Option A. All the time, people will have hesitation to mark none of this, right? Because thinking that I am wrong. You will never trust yourself. Correct? Yes. Next one. Doubts, we will do it after this. Okay. After the session is done. Now, the sum of three numbers of a GP is how much? 39. The product is how much? 729. Then the numbers are, we will check. The sum is everywhere, sum and product. All the numbers are same. So the sum and product are anyway same. We will check. What is the common ratio? 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. Then 9 divided by 27 is equal to some other value. That means this is not in GP. Check the second one. 3 divided by 9. How much is it? 1 by 3. Then 27 divided by 3. How much is it? 3. That means this is also not in GP. Now check. 9 divided by 3. How much is it? 3. 27 divided by 9. How much is it? 3. That means this is our answer. Yes? Are you getting the exam approach? We won't go and write A by AR, comma, A, comma, A by R. We are not going to do that. Okay, this is the method. Next one. A function f of x is equal to 2 raised to x. Then what is it? What is happening? F of 1 is how much? Sorry, f of 0 is how much? I will start with 0. 2 raised to 0, which is equal to 1. F of 1 is how much? 2 raised to 1, which is equal to 2. Then f of 2 is how much? 2 square, which is equal to 4. F of 3 is how much? That is 2 raised to 3, which is equal to 8. That means what is happening over there? 1 to 1 mapping is happening over there. Option A is our answer. Now, very good question, which is repeated and one of the easiest question from this MTP. A town has a total population of how much? 50,000. Out of 28,000 reads how much? What?
3,000.
N of x is equal to 28,000. Correct? And 23,000 read y. That means N of y is equal to how much? 23,000. Then both the papers, that means N of x intersection y is equal to how much? 4,000. Now you can find N of A union B, right? How much is it? That is 28,000 plus 23,000 minus 4,000. General formula. How much is it? 47,000. Correct? Yes. That means people reading newspaper is how much? 47,000. How many are there in total? 50,000. They are asking persons not reading both X or Y papers. That means those people who are not reading newspaper at all. Those people are sitting inside the class, right? Are you guys reading newspapers? No. What was the last time when you read a newspaper? When was it? 12th standard. First standard. 1.5 months back. Okay. How much is the answer then? 50,000 minus 47,000. Answer is how much? 3,000. Option B is our answer. Keep quiet. Next one. First one. What? Next one. What is it? They are asking for fog of x. What is fog of x? F of g of x. What is f of x? X plus 3, right? Instead of x, what we are going to write? G of x plus 3. What is the value of g of x? X square plus 3. Option A is our answer. Next one. Very good question. Limit n tends to infinity. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 cube plus etc. up to 1 by 3 raised to n is equal to how much is the question? People, is it in GP? Yes, first term is what? 1 by 3. Then common ratio is how much? 1 by 3. Now n is approaching to infinity. What does that mean? Do you remember the sum of till infinity for a GP? What was the formula? A divided by 1 minus R. Do you remember that? What is A, people? 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. So 3 cancel. What will remain? 1 by 2. Option A is our answer. Did you understand? Anyone is having doubt over this? It's a very good question. Limits and GP, they have got merged together. Okay. Yes. But you should understand how it is going to infinity. Otherwise, you will take the other formula. What is it? A into r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. You will go for that formula. That is not possible here. Here, look at this. One of the most repeated type from our differentiation. What is it? X is equal to 2t plus 5. Y is equal to t square minus 2. dy by dx is how much is the question. First find dy by dt. How much is it? d by dt of t square minus 2, which is equal to 2t. Then find dx by dt. dx by dt is how much? d by dt of 2t plus 5, which is equal to 2. That means we need to take 1 divided by 2. That means dy by dx is equal to 2t divided by 2, which is equal to t. Option A is our answer. I think most of the answers are option A. Correct? Huh? Yes. Next one. If f of x is equal to x raised to k, f dash of 1 is equal to 10. Then the value of k is how much is the question. How will you do it, people? How will you do it? Huh? How will you do it? Do you remember x raised to n? Now you can remember. What is d by dx of x raised to n? N into x raised to n minus 1. K is a constant, right? Yes. Then what will be d by dx of f of x? That means k into x raised to k minus 1. Then one more thing they have given. That means this is f dash of x, right? Which is equal to k into x raised to k minus 1. Then f dash of 1 is how much? 10, which is equal to k into 1 raised to k minus 1. 1 raised to any power is what? Yes, 1. So k is how much? Option A is our answer. Another option A. Understood? Basic formula. Now we are going to the last question from max part of this mock test or this MTP 1. Next one. Marginal revenue. Whenever marginal revenue is there, what did I tell you? It will be d by dx of revenue function. If it is marginal cost, that is d by dx of cost function. Here, d by dx of revenue function is equal to how much? 5 minus 4x plus 3x square. Then they are asking the total revenue function. How will you do it? Just integrate it. R of x is equal to integral of 5 minus 4x plus 3x square dx. So integral of 5 dx is how much? 5x minus integral of 4x square divided by 2. That will be how much? 2x square plus 3 into x cube divided by 3. How much is it? X cube plus 3c. What is the answer? Option B. We can go for B because we don't have anything else. So we can go for B. Yes, correct, right? Yes, it is correct. Next one. Previous year question. Jana term question. So, what is the answer? Here what is happening? If you read it, CEGI, XVTR, again GI is coming. That means this GI is the first term of, last two term of the first word is first two letters of the third one. Then this will be the first two letters of the next one. Answer is TRPN. Option A is our answer. Another previous year question. Clock is coded as this much. Earth is coded as this much. Then cot is. C is what? 7. O is what? O is 2. Then A is what? A is taken from here. That is 3. Then T is what? T is taken from here. That is 9. 7, 2, 3, 9. Option B is our answer. I think you are catching up. Everyone, can we do the next one? Yes. Next one. Look at this, people. What is happening over here? Mention is written as NFOUJPO. Then mystify is written as what? So what is happening here? Mention. MS plus 1, correct? E plus 1 is F. N plus 1 is O. T plus 1 is U. Similarly, everyone, what is happening? Plus 1 is happening. Then mystify will be M plus 1 is N. That means option C and option D are gone. Then Y plus 1 is Z. That means option E is our answer. Without doing the entire thing, we can directly get the answer. Now look at this. Yes, Tirupati, Tamil Nadu. Yes, I told you, right? It is a pan-Indian class. Everyone is there. Then Kerala is there. Then, yes, Delhi is there. Yes, yeah. Too many people from all over India, and many people are here also. Nice. Pan-Indian class. Today onwards, we are going to call our class Pan-Indian class. Yes. Next one. What is happening? What is the difference here, people? 22. Then, what is the difference here? 22. Then, what is the difference here? 21. What is the difference here? 23. Actually, it should have been 22. Then it would have been 187. That means 22 would have happened, right? Here also, it would have been 22, which is the wrong one then. Option C, that is 186. Next one. Flower, Flower is coded as UOLDVI. Then terminal is coded as what is the question? Now, F. So if you look into it, F, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the forward direction, that is the code. Now, if you look from the backward direction, it will be 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, then 20. Correct? Now, F. With respect to F, who is in the 20th position from the backward? U is there in the backward positioning, right? Then, with respect to L, O will be in the backward. With respect to O, L will be in the backward position. That means the coding is what? Forward to backward mapping is happening over here. Then, with respect to T, T is at what position? 20th position. So, who will be in the 20th position from backward? Who is it? Who is it? 20th position. G is there. Answer is what? Option P is our answer. Direct answer. You need to know Ijoti. Ijoti is what? E is at 20th. E is at 5th position. Then O is at 10th position. Or J is at 10th position. O is at 15th position. Then T, Y, you can do it. T is at 20. Y is at 25th position. Now we are coming to the previous year question. Janatam question. What did I tell you? With respect to direction test, always read the last line. The total number of kilometers he traveled. Total means if you are putting a Google map and you are walking, the total distance covered by you. That means Anu started walking 5 kilometers towards north, then 3 kilometers, then 5 kilometers. Total kilometer is 5 plus 3 plus 5. Answer is option A, 13 is our answer. Now, in which direction is the school from his house? With respect to the final position, initial position, what is the final position? Very direct. That means initial direction is east. How many kilometer? 10 kilometer. Then he turned right. Right of east is what? South. How many kilometer? 5. That means what is the answer? Option A, southeast is our answer. Without even drawing, we are getting the answer correct? Yes. Next question. A started walking from his house, walked 4 kilometers north. We will read what is the direction he is going now. That means initial direction is what? North. Then turn right. Then turn right. North, right, right. That means north, right. Right is what? South. Option D. Do you remember? People, if you don't know anything, just watch the marathon class. You will understand. You will understand it clearly. Okay. Next one. A man started walking 10 kilometers towards what direction? The north direction. Now we will check in which direction is he from the starting point. That means which type? Type 2 question. We solved. Now, initial direction is what? North. How many kilometers? 10. Right of north is what? East. That is how much? 5 kilometers. Then right of east is what? South. That means south and north are opposite. 10 cancel. What is remaining? East. Option A. Within seconds. How many seconds? 3 seconds, 2 seconds. You will get the answer. We are saving time. Now, pointing to a lady. Very good question. A man said, Who is the reference person? Reference person is lady. Who is the speaker? Man is the speaker. Then what is it? The son of her. Who is this her? Lady is the only brother. Is the only brother. Son of her brother. Son of her only brother. That means lady is there. Correct? Lady is there. Then lady has a brother. Correct? A bro is there. Bro. Who is there? A bro is there. Lady has a bro. And bro has a son. That means son is over here. Male or female? Da? Male. Then son of a only bro is the brother of my wife. My wife means man's wife. So brother, that son is the brother of who? My wife. Man's wife. So man is married to the wife. Now the question is, how is the lady related to the man? What is it? Sister of father-in-law. Got it? Yes. Repeated question. Yes. Next one. It is a good question. It is a little confusing question. Look at this. A family has a man, his wife, their 4 sons and their wives. What are they telling? A man is there. Correct? A man is having a wife or wives. Only a wife. That is there. Wife is there. Then what is happening? There 4 sons. That means son 1, son 2, then son 3 is there. Then son 4 is there. What is happening? For their 4 sons and their wives. That means son 1 is having only 1 wife. Okay, wife 1. Then son 2 is having 2 wives. No, wife 2. Then what is happening? Son 3 is having wife 3. Then son 4 is having wife 4. Okay. Then what is given? The family of every son has 3 sons. That means each son is having how many sons? And 3 sons and 1 daughter. That means again it will go on. How many sons will be there? 3 sons will be there. I am just writing. Then 1 daughter will be there. Here what is happening? 3 sons and 1 daughter. Here what is happening? 3 sons and 1 daughter. Here what is happening? 3 sons and 1 daughter. The entire India is there. Correct? Yes. Now, the number of male members in the whole family is how much is the question? Man is there. 4 sons are there. That means 5 are there now. Each son is having 3 sons each. That means 12 plus 4 plus 1. How much is the answer? 17. Option D is our answer. I think you understood that. Good question, correct? Now look at this. There is a mistake in the question. 5 persons A, B, C, D and E are sitting in a circle facing the center. So how are they sitting? They are facing the center or outside the center? They are facing the center. Then what is there? C is sitting immediate left of E. That means if E is sitting over here, where will be the position of C? Immediate left. That means C will be over here. Then A is sitting between something and D. I think we will take it as C for our convenience because question is not given. So we can go with our assumption. So question is wrong. You will get 1 mark. So C and D, who is sitting? A is sitting. Then what is there? Who is sitting between B and A? B can only sit over here. Who is sitting between B and A? What is the answer? D is the answer. But the question is wrong. Yes. Now people, previous year question, Jan attempt question. What is the question? 5 people are there sitting. A, B, C, D, E are seated about a round table facing outside. Outside means they will look outside. They are going to play some chair game and all. Correct? Otherwise, why are they sitting outside the circle? Any other reason? Or they are having a fight. Couples. 5 couples. 5 couples. Hey, no. Yes. 5 people. Okay, fine. Now, outside the center, but not necessary in the same order. A sits immediate right of E. That means if E sit over here, where will A sit? Immediate right. Correct? Then what is there? C sits third to the left of D. Do you know D? No. Let D be there. But D who sits. That means D sits immediate right of A. That means D is sitting over here. Now we have C sits third to the left of D. If D is sitting here, E will be sitting third to the left first, second, then third. Who is sitting? C is sitting. Then what is there? Who is remaining? B is remaining. How many people are sitting between C and D? What is the answer? If you look it from here, it is 1. If you look from here, it is 2. Always go for the minimum value. Answer is option A is our answer. Yes. Can we do the next one? Correct answer, Logesh. Yes. Shut up gaming is there. Okay. It's name of that person. Then Sarvesh Kumar. Okay, great. Next one. 5 friends A, B, C, D and E are sitting in a row facing east. East means what? This side. Correct? Vertical arrangement. A is sitting between C and D. B is second to the left of C. That means if C is sitting here, where will be the position of B? Up or down? Second to the left. Left of east is what? North. That means one person is here, then B is here. Then what is given? A is sitting between C and D. Can A kill B? Are we talking about violence? No. A cannot kill B, so A should sit here. Then A is sitting between. Sorry, D. Can D kill C? B. That is the thing. What is remaining now? Who is remaining? E is remaining. What is the question? Who is sitting at the south end? Who is sitting? D is sitting at the south end. Can we do the 55th question? A, B, C, D, E are sitting on a bench. A is immediate right of B. That means, is any direction given? No direction. We are automatically taking it as north. That means, A is sitting immediate right of B. Immediate right, correct? E is immediate left of C. Can we connect? No. And immediate right of A. Who is sitting immediate right of A? E is sitting immediate right of A. Then what is given? E is immediate left of C. That means C will be over here. B is the right of D. That means D will be over here. Who is sitting in the middle? A is sitting in the middle. Is this correct? Everyone? Everyone? Yes. Next one. Another good question. A is mother of B. A is mother of B. Yes. C is son of A. That means sibling of B. D is brother of E. Do you have D and E here? No. Let it be there. E is daughter of B. That means E is over here. Male or female? Female. Then D is brother of E. That means D is this. Now what is the question, people? Who is the grandmother of D? First generation, second generation and third generation. Who is the grandmother? A is our grandmother. Option A is our answer. Next question. Read the following information. Answer the question. How will you do it? Plus means what? Daughter. Then into means what? Son. Minus means what? Wife. Correct? For easy understanding. That means Q minus S. Q is what? Q is the wife of S. S is male or female? Male. Then what is that? P into Q. Into means son. So P is the son of Q. Now we will see. S is the wife of B? No, we don't even have B. Then S is the father of P? Correct. Option B is the right answer. Can we go for the next one, people? Everyone? Yes. Look at this. B is daughter of A. B is daughter of A means whose gender is given? B's gender is given. Then C is brother of B. So C is brother of B. C is the only son of D. That means what is the case? A is married to D. Then C and E are married couples. C and E are what? Married couples. So E will be what? Male or female? Female. Then F is the son of E. F is over here and is the son. How is F related to A? Grandson. How is Arjun Tendulkar related to Ramesh? Grandson. Got it? Same approach. Next one. Given that X is mother of Y. X is mother of Y. Z is son of X. That means Y and Z are siblings. Then A is brother of B. Can you connect over here? Anyone? Can you connect it? No. So let it be there. Then B is daughter of Y. What does that mean? B is over here and is a female. Who is the grandmother of A? Then A is the brother of B, right? Who is the grandmother of A? What is the answer? Option A, X is the grandmother. And the last and final question from logical reasoning. Will you be able to solve this? These are basic questions. If you attend the marathon itself, this is fine, right? Very basic question. And our target is what? Score maximum from LR. If you score maximum from LR, then everything will be fine. Maximize. Never minimize anything. Maximize our marks. Never go for inky pinky. That is another add-on. Inky pinky, will you do it? Yeah, he will do it. He used to do it. Don't do it again. Okay. I'm telling you, never do inky pinky ponky on the exam hall. Because why? Negative marking is there. And probability of going wrong is very high. 3/4. Probability of going right is 1/4. Always think that there is no 50-50. You should know the concept to make it 50-50. Now, L is wife of N. That means L and N are married. L is wife of N. P is son of N. What does that mean? P is son of N. K is brother of N. That means K and N are in same generation. Gender of K is male. And father of O. Who is father of O? Who is father of O? K is father of O. What is the relationship between P and O? What are they, da? Cousins. Option. C is our answer. That's all. Now we are going to statistics. One of the easiest topic. How was the exam? Today's mock test. How was it? Very nice, huh? Okay. I'm telling you, study the formulas. It will be direct. Almost all the questions. We will solve this. We will understand. Is it direct or not? Now, standard error. Sample size. What was the formula? Standard error is inversely proportional to square root of sample size. Now the next question. The mean of three numbers is how much? 135. Among the three numbers, the biggest number is how much? 180. The difference between the remaining two numbers is how much? 25. Then the smallest number is how much is the question. I'll just do it. Mean of three numbers. That means x plus y plus 180 is equal to divided by 3 is equal to 135. Now find the value of x plus y. Take the calculator, cross multiply 3. That means 135 into 3 minus 180. How much is the answer? 225. Then one more thing is given. X minus y as per the question is 25. Now can you find the value of x? 2x is equal to 250. X is equal to 125. 125. Y is equal to how much? Substitute it over here. You will get it as y is equal to 100. So x is equal to 125. Y is equal to 100. The smallest number is option D, 100. Finally, I think we got an option D. Yes, till now A, B, C. Next one. Good question. Out of 1000 persons, 40% are female. What does that mean? If 1000 people are there, 400 are female. Then how many are male? Rest of them are male. Others are male. In a marriage function, 300 persons enjoyed the song. How many enjoyed? 300 per person. That means 300 enjoyed means how many didn't enjoy? Enjoyed is 300. Not enjoyed is 700. Correct? Yes. Then 30% of the people who had not enjoyed the song are female. That means 30% of 700 is how much? 210. That means 210 are female. Now what are they asking? What is the number of male who did not enjoy the song? How much is remaining? 700 minus 210. How much is it? 490 are male. Answer is what? Option D. Now, one of the most repeated question is, in a tabular presentation of data, stub is what? Left part of the table providing description of rows. Option A is our answer. direct question. Next one, people. Now, very good. Open-end classification. What is this open-end classification? It goes on. The variation is too much. For example, what will I say? We will take a company. Some of them earn salaries very less. Some of them earn very high salary. Correct? Some of them earn very less. Some will earn very high. So like 5,000, 6,000 are some of the salaries. 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh are some other salary. Which of the following is the best measure of central tendency? What do you think? Will the median change in open-end classification? Median. Think about median. Even if it is small salary or high salary, the median will almost. Anyway, we will get the answer. Answer is what? Median. Next one. In case of even numbers, even number of observation, which of the following is median? When the number of observation is even, what were we doing? Simple average of the middle two values. Option B is our answer. Non-probability sampling is also called as purposive or judgment sampling. Now we are going to very good question. One of the most repeated question, and I'm telling you one question will be there for your exam. Minimum one. At least one. What do you mean by at least one? More than one. Question will be there from this concept for sure. Two variables x and y are given by y is equal to 2x minus 3. The median of x is how much? 20. Then the median of y is how much? Instead of x, substitute. That means 2 into 20 minus 3. That is equal to 40 minus 3, which is equal to 37. Option C is our answer. Median is dependent, right? Origin. That's why we are taking constant. If in the same question, if it was standard deviation, we would have taken y is equal to 2x. We will ignore the other person, the constant term. Next question. The relationship between two variables u and v are given by 2u plus v plus 7 is equal to 0. If am of u is 10, am of v is what? Instead of u, what we will substitute? 10. That means 2 into 10 plus v plus 7 is equal to 0. 27 plus v is equal to 0. So v is equal to how much? Minus 27. Very direct. Very direct question. You'll get the answer, right? Next one. The appropriate measure of dispersion for open end. What is the answer? Quartile deviation. For open end, it is quartile deviation. I told you for theory based question, read the concept clearly. Read the textbook, ICAI material, just fast read it. Like you are learning economics, read it. Completely read it. It will give you 1 or 2 marks. Because theory based questions are there always, correct? Yes. Next one. It's a good question. Rx is equal to, if Rx and Ry denote ranges of x and y respectively, where x and y are related by 3x plus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0. Then 3x is equal to what? 2y. Then ry is equal to what? 2. Rx is equal to what? Ry is equal to what? What we will do now? Can you directly go for the answer from here itself? 3x is equal to 2y. What do you mean by that? I'm ignoring the sign because every time there will be a modulus, right? What is our answer? 3rx is equal to 2ry. Is that the answer? No. What is the answer? Option B. How will you write it? In terms, how will you write it? You should tell me in terms of y. How will you write it? So 2y is equal to 3x, correct? Then y is equal to what? 3 by 2 x. From this, how will you do it? Tell me. This one you should tell me. X on y. Will you change anything? Will you change anything? Do you know range, right? Everyone knows range, right? We will discuss this. Everyone think about this. Anyway, I'll tell you the answer. I have the answer with me, but I'm not going to tell. Anyway, this is not the answer. This is not the answer. Either between this and this. You should tell me which is the answer. B. Why B? Why B? I'll ask you always. Why B? Yes. Do this question. We'll come back to that. If x and y are related by 2x plus 3y is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 0, standard deviation of x is equal to 9, then the standard deviation of y is how much is the question. How will you do it? Substitute. That means 2 into 9 is equal to 3y. That means y is equal to 6. Answer is 6. Option B. Direct answer. Correct? Direct. Next one. The quartiles of the variables 45, 52 and 75 are respectively quartiles. These are Q1, Q2 and Q3. Then quartile deviation. What is quartile deviation? Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Correct? Yes. What is the answer? What is the answer? 75 divided minus 45. That is 30 divided by 2, which is equal to 15. Option A is our answer. Director, did you understand that? Anyone is having doubt? No. Now look at the next question. X and y are related by 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Quartile deviation of x is 16. Quartile deviation of y is what? So 3x is equal to 4y. Then instead of x, what are you putting? Into 16, which is equal to 4y. Cancel, cancel. Y is equal to how much? 12. Option B. Yes, there are many formulas. Are we following that? No, we are not following formulas. We are directly going for the answer. Why? At the exam hall, they will ask for formulas? Sometimes they will ask the formulas. Their options will also be there. Otherwise, we need the answers. A, B, C or D. We require 4 options. Correct? Yes. 75th question. Again, if x and y are related by y is equal to 2x plus 5 and the standard deviation and arithmetic mean of x are known to be 5 and 10 respectively, then the coefficient of variation. What is the formula? Coefficient of variation is equal to standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean. Now what are they asking? Coefficient of variation of y. That means standard deviation of y and arithmetic mean of y. Standard deviation of x is given. How much is it? 5. That means standard deviation of y is equal to 2 into 5, which is equal to 10. Which is equal to 10 divided by. Now, arithmetic mean of x is given. That is 10. So, arithmetic mean of y will be how much? 2 into 10 plus 5, which is equal to 25. So, 10 divided by 25. How much is it? 10 divided by 25, 0.4. Since the answer is given in percentage into 100, answer is option C, 40%. Understood? Everyone? So, arithmetic mean is affected by the constant. Plus or minus value is affecting arithmetic mean, median and all. While standard deviation, quartile deviation, we are not taking the constant. Got it? Can we go for the next one? Now, did we discuss this? Yes, we already discussed this. It is, what is spurious correlation? It is the correlation between two variables having no causal relationship, like age and weight, then age and height, likewise. Next one. When r is equal to 1, all the points in a scatter diagram would lie. Is it positive correlation? Yes, perfect positive correlation. What was it? It will go from lower to upper. That means lower left to upper right on a straight line directed from lower left to upper right. Now the next question. If the coefficient of correlation between two variables is 0.8, then the percentage of variation unaccounted for is how much? What are they asking? Now everyone will have a confusion. What are they asking? What is this formula? Coefficient of non-determination. What is it? 1 minus r square. That means 1 minus 0.8 square, which is equal to 0.36. They are asking in percentage into 100. Answer is 36%. Option D. Now, next question. If the variables of the two variables x and y, the covariance is how much? 40. Variance of x is how much? 16. Variance of y is how much? 256. Then the correlation coefficient. What is the formula? R is equal to covariance divided by standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y. Covariance is how much? 40 divided by variance is 16. That means standard deviation is how much? Standard deviation of x is how much? 4. 256. That means standard deviation is how much? Root 256. That is 16 or 14? 60. That means 4 into 16. How much is the answer? 0.6. 6 to 5. Are you catching up? Did we discuss the formula? Yes, we did it. Everything is there. Next. So if you look into our book, every formula is there. We are not going outside it. Everything is there. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It's not there. Where is it? Yes. Hey, where are the rest? Oh, few pages are missing. It is there. You have it with you, right? Yes. Just check that. You will get the answer. Next one. If the relation between x and u is, actually this is a very good question. Okay. It is not there. It is outside the box. It's a very good question. If the relation between x and u is how much? 3x plus 4u plus 7 is equal to 0. And the correlation coefficient between x and y is how much? Minus 0.6. Correlation coefficient are x, y is equal to minus 0.6. Correct? Then what is the correlation coefficient between r, u, y they are asking? How will you find it? Minus 0.6. Answer is minus 0.6. Let's see. So here x and u. We will just check x and u. X and y is given. We will check x and u. That means 3x will become, we will take it in terms of u. 4u is equal to minus 3x plus or minus 7. U is equal to minus 3 by 4x minus 7 by 4. That means this is negative, right? Ux is negative. Then what will uy be? Uy will also be negative. What? X and y it is given as minus 0.6. So that means answer is minus of minus 0.6. Answer is what? Option C plus 0.6. It is very indirect. You have a formula. Do you remember? Modulus of b divided by modulus of b into modulus of d into rxy. There is a formula. Instead of that, it is u and y. That's why we are going with this approach. Next question. Leap year. Leap year means what, people? Leap year means 2 days will be pending at the end of the year. Yes, that 2 days can be Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, how many times Sundays are occurring? 2 times Sundays are occurring. And how many days are there in total? 7. That means 2 by 7. Answer is option B. Next one. Good question. What is the chance of picking a spade or an ace not of spade from pack of 52 cards? What is the probability of picking a spade? 13 divided by 52 plus an ace not of spade. Not of spade, how many aces are there? 3. That is 3 divided by 52. Answer is 16 divided by 52. Answer is 4 by 13. Option A. Next question. Find the probability. Good question. Find the probability that a 4-digit number comprising of the digits 2, 5, 6 and 7 would be divisible by what? Divisible by 4. You have never discussed a question like this. We were discussing 3. We were discussing 5. We never discussed 4. How will it be divisible by 4? What do you think? How many digit number? 4-digit number. 4-digit number means the last 2 digits should be the last 2-digit value. That means, for example, 25, 26, 27, 5, 56, 57, 76, 75, 72. That should be divisible by 4. Now, what are the possibilities? Which all values will be divisible? 2 6 are 26 divided by 4 is how much? No, it is not divisible. 28 is divisible. Then 25 is divisible? No. 27 is divisible? No. 56 is divisible? Yes. Then 52 is divisible? Yes. Then what is divisible? Then what is divisible? 72 is divisible? Yes. Then 76 is divisible. So, what will be the probability? The total arrangement will be what? 4 factorial. That is 24. Correct? 4-digit number of total arrangement is 24. Now my question is, what will be the probability it will be divisible by 4? That is, in total how many are there? In each position, 2, 2, 2 and 2 can sit, right? That means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is how much? 8 divided by 24. What is the answer? 1 by 3. Option P is our answer. Next one, people. Direct question. Probability of accountant's job applicant has BCom as a degree is point. So P of B is how much? 0.85. Then they are having P of C is how much? CA being a CA is how much? 0.3. Then he has both. That means P of B intersection C is how much? How much? 0.25. Then how much would be BCom or? Whenever or is coming, we are finding P of A union B, which is equal to 0.85 plus 0.3 minus 0.25. How much is the answer? 0.90. Option D is our answer. Now the 85th question. Can you do it? Do you remember? Out of all the things, I know that you remember this. Yeah. True base is known to hit a target 5 out of 9. That means P of R is how much? 5 by 9. Him not hitting is what? 4 by 9. Then David hitting the target, P of D is 6 by 11. Then P of D not hitting is how much? 5 by 11. Then the probability that the target would be hit if one of them try. How will you do it? Total probability is how much? 1 minus both of them not hitting. That means 4 by 9 into 5 by 11. What is the answer? 1 minus 20 divided by 99, that is equal to 79 divided by 99. Option A. Another option is A. Now, do this. Everyone, try. In connection with a random experiment, it is found P of A is how much, people? 2 by 3. P of B is how much, people? 3 by 5. P of A union B is how much, people? 5 by 6. Then they are asking for what? P of A complement given B. What is the formula? P of A complement intersection B divided by P of B. Now, how will you write this P of A complement intersection B? That means in the intersection, A is not a part. That means P of B minus P of A intersection B divided by P of B. If we split it, it will be 1 minus P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Now, A intersection B, how will you find? A union B is given, P of A is given, P of B is given. That means P of A intersection B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. A is how much? P of A is how much? 2 by 3. Yes, 2 by how much is it? 2 by 3. That is 2 divided by 3 plus 3 divided by 5 minus 5 divided by 6. What is the LCM? 3, 5 and 6 will give you 30. That means 2 into how much is 30? Sorry, 3 into how much is 30? 10. That means 20 plus 18 minus 25 divided by 30. That is equal to 13 divided by 30. So which is equal to 1 minus 13 divided by 30 divided by P of B is how much? 3 divided by 5. How much is the answer? This is cancel. Answer is option C, 5 by 18. Simple calculation. Understood? Everyone? Yes. Now, in a business venture, a man can make a profit of how much? 50,000 or means plus incur a loss of 20,000. The probability of making a profit or loss from the past experience are known to be 0.75 and 0.25. What is the expected? That means 50,000 into 0.75 plus or minus. Minus. Why minus? We need to know. Yes. Minus. How much is it? 20,000 into 0.25. How will you do it? This M plus this M minus, click MRC. How much you got? 32,500. 50,000 into 0.75 m plus 20,000 into 0.25 m minus, then click MRC. You are getting it as 32,500. Yes, people. Now, find the probability of success. We need to find the p-value for the binomial distribution satisfying the following relation. That means 4 into, what is the formula for binomial distribution? NCX. Here n is how much? 6. 6C4 into p raised to 4 into q square, which is equal to n6C2 into p square into q raised to 4. NCR and NCn minus R are same, right? That means 6C4 and 6C2 will get cancelled off. That means 4 into p raised to 4 and p square will get cancelled. What will remain? P square, which is equal to q square and q raised to 4, that is q square. Can I write it? 4 is equal to q by p the whole square. Instead of 4, can I write it as 2 square? That means q by p is how much? 2. Then q is what? 1 minus p divided by p is equal to 2. From this, 1 minus p is equal to 2p. That is equal to 1 is equal to 3p. P is equal to 1 by 3. Option A is our answer. Another option A. Next one. An experiment. Good question. An experiment succeeds thrice as it fails. That means probability of success is what? 3 by 4. If you are doing the experiment 4 times, 3 times it will succeed and 1 time it will fail. Then probability of failure is what? 1 by 4. If the experiment is repeated how many times? 5 times. What is the probability having? No success. That means first time it is a failure. Again it is a failure. It is again a failure. Again it is a failure. Again it is a failure. Can you do the 6th time? No. They are asking for 5 times. What is the answer? 1 divided by 1024. Are you getting the point? Next one. We are going to the last 11 questions. 90th question is, if the two quartiles of the normal distributions, basically we can take it as Q1 and Q3. Okay, 47.30 and 52.70. Then what is the mode of the distribution? Also find the mean deviation about median. What are they asking at the end? It is a question copy pasted from somewhere. So they have asked 2 questions. We only need to find one answer, that is mean deviation. How will you find? Can you find quartile deviation? QD is what? Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. How much is it? That is 52.7 minus how much? 47.3. How much is it? How much is it? Divided by 2 is how much? Divided by 2 is 2.7. Now, how many QTs are there, people? 3 QTs. That means 2.5 MD is equal to 3 QD. MD is how much? MD is equal to 3 into 2.7 divided by 2.5. How much is the answer? Take it. 3 into 2.7 divided by 2.5. How much is it? 3.24 approximately. Option C, 3.2 is our answer. 3.24 approximately, option C. Now, it follows normal distribution with a mean of 50 and variance of how much? 100. Then what is P of X greater than or equal to 60 given area up to 1 is how much? 0.8416. Now, how will you do it, people? Any idea? Z value is how much? Z is equal to X minus mu by sigma. Sigma is how much? Sigma is equal to 10 because variance is 100. That means standard deviation should be 10. So X value is how much? 60 minus 50 divided by 10, which is equal to 1. Sigma value is 1. How will you find? So if you look at the question itself, area up to 1 is how much? 0.8413. If you look at it, how will the logic work? 1 minus 0.84 313. How much will be the answer? 0.158 approximately equal to 0.16. Now
Poisson.
What is the best? Yes, misprints of a page of a thick book is Poisson distribution. If a Poisson variable is x, f of 2 is equal to 3 into f of 4, what is the variance of x? We can directly find the answer. What is the formula for Poisson distribution? E power minus m into m raised to 2 divided by 2 factorial, which is equal to 3 into e power minus m into m raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial. Now e raised to minus m cancel. M square, m raised to 4 cancel. That will become m square. 4 factorial is 24 divided by 2 into 3 is 6, which is equal to m square. That means this is m square is equal to 4. M is how much? 2. Answer is variance is 2. Mean is how much? 2. Mean is 2. Then what is mode? M and m minus 1. That is 2 and 1. Since it is integer. Next one. If the points of inflection of a normal curve, that means mu minus sigma is how much? 40. Then mu plus sigma is how much? 60. From this 2 mu is equal to 100. Mu is equal to 50. Answer is option C. Now, Fisher's index number satisfy what? It will satisfy both. It won't satisfy what? Circular test. Answer is option C. Next one. Fisher's ideal index number is what? Geometric mean of Lappe and Pache. Then R is equal to minus 0.6, coefficient of non-determination. What is it? 1 minus R square, that is 1 minus 0.6 square, which is equal to 1 minus 0.36. Answer is 0.64, option D. Then cost of leaving index is always what? It is a weighted index. Then next one. Pache and Fisher's are given as. So that means Pache is 156, Fisher is Pache is 169, Fisher is 156. That means 156 square is equal to Lappe into Pache, L into 169. So take the calculator, 156 into equal to divided by 169. How much is it? L is equal to 144. Option A is our answer. And we are going to the final question. It is an cakewalk question. The wholesale price index number of agriculture commodity in a given region at a given date is 280. So, is the base year is given? Base index is given? No. 100 is becoming 280. How much is the increment? 180. What is the answer? Option C, 180. How many time? How much time? 1.5 hours. We are done. Okay. That's all. The MTP one, how was it? It is a very easy paper. I hope that your exam will also be like this. It will be easy. Okay? 1, 2 few good questions were there. Other than that, everything was very, very easy. Yes. Can we wind up the section? Everyone, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Sleep well. Study well. Don't sleep well. Study well. Okay? Yes. Tara, bye bye. Yes. Kadam.